Namaste Gurukulians. Being staying safe at home, I hope you people are utilizing this time period of lockdown constructively. I am back again with my next video on the topic adverb. Adverb. So first of all, you people deserve to be told what is an adverb and how to define adverb. So look at the board, you will understand it in a much better way. While I will define, modify word will come while defining this. While I will define adverb in front of you, this word modify will come. So how modify means adverbs always modify verb, adverb and adjective. And adjective. So adverbs always modifies verb, adverb and adjective. So how to define an adverb? Now adverb is a word which modifies a verb, adverb and adjective. Or modify here means, meaning of modify is means it can change the meaning of a verb, adjective or adverb in the sentence. Means it add or change the meaning of the word in the sentence. Now I will write the definition. Adverb is a word which modify a verb, adverb or adjective in the sentence. I think the definition is quite clear to you. So adverb is a word which modifies a verb, adverb and adjective. So I will use only one example to define each and every type of adverb. First of all, look at the board. He ran quickly. He ran quickly. He ran quickly. This sentence, quickly is the adverb. Quickly in this sentence is the adverb and it is giving the answer how he ran. He ran quickly, he ran fast. So it is giving the answer of how. If I say he ran here, he ran here, it is he ran here. Means here, this sentence is giving the answer of this adverb. Here is giving the answer of where. Where he runs? He runs here. So it is giving the answer of where. And the next one is he runs. He ran yesterday. He ran yesterday. Now the sentence is same. He ran yesterday means yesterday is showing the time of his running. So when. It is showing the time when. Now he runs daily. He ran daily. He ran daily means how often he ran. He ran daily. So how often? It is giving the answer of how often. How often. And the last one is he ran fastest. He ran fastest means showing the degree of his running. So it is showing the degree. So I have written 4-5 sentences in front of you and I have changed just only one word. He ran quickly. He ran here. He ran yesterday. He ran daily and he ran fastest. In every sentence, adverb is doing some work of showing us how the action takes place, where the action takes place and when the action takes place, how often the action takes place and also showing us the degree of the action. So now you will understand it in a more better way. How you will understand it? That adverb is a word action takes place. It shows us how the action takes place. Action is how it takes place, when it takes place, where it takes place, and how often it takes place. Means it shows, adverb is a word which shows how the action takes place. When this word adverb shows us how the action takes place, we call it adverb of manner. Adverb of manner. When it shows how the action takes place, so we call it adverb of manner. Adverb of manner. When it shows the time of an action, then we call it adverb of time. When it shows when, the sentence usually begins with when, and so we call it adverb of time. And when it shows where the action takes place, we call it adverb of place. Adverb of place. I will make you understand by giving examples, but first of all I am acquainting you with the adverbs of manner, adverbs of time, and adverbs of place. And next one is how often action takes place. This is called adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency. But in this video I am going to discuss these four types of adverbs with you. There are so many types of adverbs, like adverb of degree, interrogative adverbs, adverb of purpose. But in this video I will discuss only four types of adverbs with you. I have written on the board adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place, and adverb of frequency. When we come to know how the action takes place, this is adverb of manner. When we come to know about the time of an action by the adverb, this is adverb of time. And when we come to know where the action takes place, then it is adverb of place. And how often the action takes place, then we call it adverb of frequency. Now you will have to understand it with examples. It will be more clear to you. With the help of examples, you are going to understand it, and everything will be clear to you. Just keep looking at the board. And the first example of adverb of manner. First of all, we are going to discuss adverb of manner. So adverb of manner, I have already told you. When we come to know that how the action takes place, then we call it adverb of manner. And in maximum cases, by adding ly at the end of adjectives, we make adverbs like quick, quickly, happy, happily, clear, clearly, correct, correctly. But this is certainly not the case always. Sometimes the adverbs used in the form, the way they are in adjective form, in the same way they are used in adverb form, like hard, well. Look at the board. The first example is, I have written on the board, the alarm rang quickly. Quickly is the adverb. This is showing us how the alarm rang, giving the answer of how the alarm rang. Now the answer is with you, how the alarm rang. The alarm rang quickly. The alarm rang quickly. They woke quickly. They woke quickly to catch quickly showing to us how they ran to catch the train. Means they ran quickly. Giving the answer of how. I think you are getting it. Those how quickly they ran. In this sentence also the alarm rang quickly and she passed. Next is she passed the exam. She passed the exam easily. How she passed the exam? In a very comfortable way. Very easily she passed the exam. So giving the answer of how. Now Julia dances well. Well is also adjective and it is in the same form as adjective and as adverb. Its form doesn't change. So that's why Julia dances well. And the next one is the boys had worked. Listen, the sentences come. The boys had worked hard. Hard is also in the same form. It is adjective, same form in the adjective and same form in the adverbs. So this is, I think, the adverb clause of manner is clear to you. And at the end of the video, I will give you lots of examples which you people have to solve and tell me the answers. Now come to the next clause of next adverb. Next adverb is adverb of time. Next adverb is adverb of time. Adverb of time. Adverb of time. Adverb of time means first of all look at the example. Preeti went to gym. Preeti went to gym yesterday. Preeti went to gym yesterday. They go out. They go out to play at, or you can say they go out to play weekly. In both the sentences, it is giving the answer of when. In the first case, it is giving the answer of when. In second case again, it is giving the answer of when. If I write on the board, we met her last year. When we read a sentence, we came to know that the time when they met last year. So it is indicating towards time. So this is very clear. This is very simple to understand. It is also giving the answer of when. So a clause when it tells us the action of, when it tells us the time of an action in the sentence. So this is adverb clause for sure. I think you got it. One more example I have. To go now. He means to say that right now I have to go, right now I have to leave. Means telling the time and giving the answer of when. Adverb clause is the clause which gives us the answer of when and also tell us the time of an action takes place in the sentence. I think it is clear to you. Come to the next adverb. The next adverb is adverb of place. Adverb of place. Adverb of place. Now this adverb tells us about where the action of the verb taking place and always gives the answer of where in the sentence. Where in the gives the answer of where in the sentence, gives the answer of where in the sentence and tell us the place of the, tell us the place of the action of the verb. Action of the verb. With examples, you will understand it in a more better way. Like if I say put the cake here or there. This is telling us about the place. This is put the cake there means this place, at this place. This is indicating towards a place and telling us the action of the verb is taking place there at this place. So that's why it is indicating towards place. Adverb clause of not clause, adverb of place. And the second one is I looked for my book everywhere. I looked for my book everywhere. So everywhere is also indicating towards a place. Then this is adverb of place for sure. This is adverb of place for sure. And now New York is located at the or north of Philadelphia. This is also indicating towards a place that New York is located at the north of Philadelphia. Means it is indicating towards a place. Students, when you will read the sentence and after reading the sentence, I am pretty sure that you will immediately come to know that this is which type of adverb used in the sentence. And the next example is first I looked here and then I looked there. First I looked here and then I looked there, but I can't find him anywhere. So in this sentence, here, there and anywhere indicating towards a place. So this is adverb of place. I think it is clear to you. I am going to ask at the end of the video or maybe in the next video, I am going to ask you some sentences which you have to answer and it will be more clear to you. Now come to the next. Let's come to the next and the last clause of today that I am going to discuss with you, that is adverb clause of frequency. Adverb not clause, adverb of frequency, sorry. Adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency. So adverb of frequency, it also this adverb, not clause, this adverb gives us the answer of how often. Answer of how often means tells us the frequency of the action in the sentence. If I will give you an example, like sometimes he plays cricket. Read the sentence deeply. Sometimes he plays cricket. We know that by reading the sentence, we immediately understand that he plays cricket. But how often he plays cricket? He plays cricket sometime, means telling us the frequency of the action. So this is how often he plays cricket. How often he play cricket, giving the answer of how often. So sometime he plays cricket how often he play cricket. Now, Ritesh never smoke. Ritesh never smoke. I can normally make the shot. So this type of adverbs usually always, daily, in routine, hourly, normally. So normally is there means it is telling us the frequency of the action in the sentence. We get paid hourly. We get paid hourly means how often we get paid. He is saying that we get paid hourly, not weekly, not monthly, hourly, telling us the frequency of the action in the sentence. And the second one is the newspaper. The newspaper is bought. Newspaper is bought daily. Means how often the newspaper is bought. So he is saying that how often the newspaper is bought. So he is saying that the newspaper is bought daily. I think adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place, and adverb of frequency is clear to you. So these are the 4 kinds of adverbs. I am going to discuss it with you people today. This is the end of the video. Thank you and have a nice day.